So you what is guys, me Tech Boy. In this video I'll show you how to make professional intro for anything, YouTube, Facebook, anything. And guys, I have something to tell you important at the end of the video, so please watch till the end. So let's start the video.
Zombie apocalypse.
So guys, the first thing you have to do is to that open the link in the description. After opening the link in the description, you come to this page. After coming to this page, you'll scroll down and click more creations. Guys, you can find intro here, or you can click the later you can find the latest intro by clicking this, or you can find the top intros, or you can search here intro and you'll click enter. But I will find intro here in the top section. So guys, I'll find my intro now. So guys, I found my intro. I'll click it, and now I'll click open in clip maker. So guys, this intro has sound, but I will mute it now for now, because if I didn't mute this, I'll get copyright strike because of YouTube's policy. But you will not get if you put this intro on your video. So guys, I'll mute it and click this eye icon and play. If you don't want to click this eye icon, it will be like this. But if you click this eye icon, it will be like this. Okay, so guys, now you have to edit it. So guys, I will be using this intro with sound in this video and my future videos, so don't worry. Click pause and click this cube icon, and now click this, and now put the first letter of your channel or Facebook page, whatever. My channel's first word is tech, so I'll put tech and click enter. So guys, you can see that tech is now selected, and now again you will write tech or your channel's first word. Again click enter. Again write your channel's first word, and again click enter. And your channel's second word, like me, boy, click enter. Your channel's second word, again, and click enter. Again your channel's second word, and then click enter, and then save it. So guys, now you can play it. So guys, you can see that here is take, here is boy. It has shown 3 times. For that you have to write it 3 times. So guys, I'm done with editing. Now pause it, go to click here, and then you can download it with WEBM audio format or MKV audio format. I will suggest you to download it in MKV audio format. So click start video render. So guys, it will take some time. When it will be rendered fully, I will meet you. So guys, you can see my video rendering is finished. Now you can download your video or return to editing. So I will download my video. I'll click download your video, and guys, see it, your download will start shortly. So guys, you can see the video is downloaded. So now go to your file manager, go to downloads. Now you can see that my video is downloaded. I'll be using this intro in this video. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. I have shown you that how to make professional intro for anything. So guys, subscribe the channel, like and share the video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Oh, wait, guys. The important notice. So, guys, if you check inside my channel, you can see that except my three videos and this video, my all videos are age restricted by YouTube. I don't know why, but they restricted the videos. I have also applied for an appeal, but they rejected it. So, guys, I have only one thing to tell you that none of my videos are eligible for age restriction. That means either you are 18 or not 18, either you're a kid or not a kid, you can watch my videos. My video is for everyone. Okay, guys, so guys, that's all I need to say. So guys, that's the end of the video. Like and share the video and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Please guys, this took so many retakes, so guys, please support me, like and share my videos, subscribe the channel. Guys, that's all I need to say. Goodbye.